Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I am excited to be unboxing Softflex Company's Camp Out Jewelry Design Kit. Now, they were sold out of the Camp Out bead strand I got in late this month. So instead I bought their Cozy Mountain bead strand that was from, I think, a previous kit from a few months ago or something. Now this has mostly green tones, so we'll see if it matches what's in this kit. If you want to get your own kit, you just go to softflexcompany.com, and every month they put together a neat themed kit that challenges designers who are experienced, but it also is great for those who are new to jewelry making because it provides findings like lobster claws, bead crimps, and their colored Softflex wire that's always wonderful to use, especially for necklaces. And it always comes so cutely wrapped, and look at that, marshmallow stickers for camping. Always packed with such care. And they give you a list of everything that's in it. So I am looking at this the same time as you. Now, it was already unboxed, or I should say unbagged, on the Softflex Company website and some of my fellow beaters, but I tried not to look because I didn't want to see. I wanted to be surprised. So let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, what is this? I don't know what this is. A slap bracelet? Is a slap bracelet like something that just, piece of plastic that goes on? Is that what that is? Oh, that's cheesy. um, Not my thing. Not into plastic. Okay. Yikes. Oh, what an unusual colorways. Okay, let's see what we have. Now, you never know what you're going to get with these, so I'm just as surprised as you. You kind of get a hint what the colorways are going to be, and it looked like it was going to be some blue and such. I'll tell you, I am not a fan of this kind of blue. I don't know why. I rarely design with blue. A lot of times because, well, it just looks so plasticky, it seems. I don't know. I feel like it doesn't translate well to check glass. But that's just my personal opinion. Let's see what this is called. I'm looking to see what color this is. Just dark blue. Yeah, not big on it. But it is good if you're going to have camp out, because, night sky, right? Oh, and I love, check this out. Check glass faceted beads. Oh, these are cool. Isn't that pretty? It just so happens that these are the colors of my high school. My high school alma mater is blue and gold, and I swear it's these exact same colors. Isn't that neat? Okay, so we got some check glass strands here, smaller and a larger. Ooh, now this I like. I like green. Let's see what color this is called. Just green, I guess, check glass rounds, but oh, I like, it almost has a matte, but then it looks like it has like a shine or some black to it or something. I don't know, but I really, really like that. That is interesting. And then it has some, what are these called? It has a list. I can't tell. I just found out it was Mercury retrograde, and by God, that explains a lot. I tell you, it's been a crazy last few days. And it doesn't say what this is. Okay, blue, green, orange. Yeah, I don't see this listed. But anyway, it's a beautiful, like, with brown. Looks like brown and dark gray in it. I like that. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at this. Interesting. Okay, and remember I told you they come with crimp beads? They got the best crimp beads on the market. So this is gold. Sometimes they're silver sometimes copper tone, sometimes I think they even have had gunmetal. I can't remember. And, oh, neat. Oh, what do we got here? We got some gold-plated koi charms. Oh, snake. I love snake. Team Slytherin, folks. Anytime there's snakes, I'm in for it. Okay, there's the ear wires. Oh, so it also comes with ear wires. I forgot. So enough to make 2 pair, which is awesome. So I'm not sure what koi fish have to do with camping out, but I will take it. So I got some koi charms. Oh, snake. Oh, I wish they would have did more snakes. Like 2 snake earrings, or 3, or 4. Love me some snakes. Okay. Oh, pretty. Sometimes they instead of including one of their color wires, that, I mean, literally they're like different shades of pinks and greens, white, black, purples, reds, browns, you name it. They'll include a metallic kind, and this is antique brass color. So nice. I don't know if I have that. Oh, and there was also a donut. This is a picture jasper donut. I love picture jasper. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's this stone, and they call it picture jasper because it almost looks like a landscape painting. I have a couple pendants that I need to make jewelry out of. I think I have one necklace in our Shea Boyer Etsy shop where I made a picture jasper necklace, but it's always different and always looks painted almost, but it's natural stone. It's beautiful. I have never made jewelry with a donut charm or donut stone before, so I'm going to have to look up tutorials on that because that is something I haven't done. And it does look like that this cozy mountain would work with these. So cool. So I lucked out on that. And then lastly, it always comes with these Softlex Company monthly design kits. Always come Mercury retrograde, people. A bag of design elements that is made specifically for Softlex Company by Jesse James Beads. They exclusively designed for them. So it's like you can't buy this on the Jesse James Beads website. But a lot of times if they have them left over, you can buy them on the Softlex Company website. So you don't necessarily need to get the kit. You can just get the bag of beads. But sometimes they sell out. So I'm not sure if they have any on the website right now. So I actually got my bead mat out because if you've watched my unbaggings before, you know sometimes they could be very disastrous. So I got smart, and even though it's not the most attractive, I got my bead mat. So as you can see, the Jesse James bead pack that comes in the monthly Softlex Company kits are packed with beads. And wow, look at these cool they almost look like batteries. Look at those cool cylinder beads. Neato. So there's 2 of those. Oh, wow. Look at these. Isn't that beautiful? Remind me of water. Those would be pretty cool in a mermaid kit. Oh, that's gorgeous. And they'll have like cone beads. Now, I don't like these. I just don't like the top drilled bralettes or anything. I just never have, but I'm being kind of complainy today, huh? It's been a rough few days. Oh, cool. It's one of their cage beads, but yeah, it looks like it's glow in the dark. Oh, okay, that's really cool for a camp out type of deal. And oh, look at these pretty blue star beads. Nice. And oh, wow, it's quite a few. And it looks like there is some gold tone ones too, like shimmery ones. Oh, these are neat. So let me sort that out. And then there's some gold and blue. I love those kind of beads that like from one angle look blue and then the other angle look gold. That always adds a nice effect to jewelry, especially like bracelets. So there's quite a few of the blue stars, and then we've got 4 of the gold, and then assorted dark blue. Oh, these are nice. Stone. Nice, nice. Yeah, I could tell they're natural because they don't necessarily match in color because, you know, natural stones, they vary. So wow, that's a very interesting kit. But as you can see, it's always chock full of stuff, you know, to challenge you and you know, fire up the imagination. You can make at least 2 pair of earrings, enough crimps for several necklaces, including, you know, the amount of wire they give. So you can make bracelets and necklaces out of that. And there's just so much variety this month. I like that. Very, very cool. And I'm glad I got this. Looks like it matches pretty well. And then, of course, there are 4 check glass strands. So, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, or unbagging, as I should say. And can't wait to make some jewelry with this, and I'll show it to you. So, if you're interested in getting your own kit, go to softflexcompany.com. I'm not sure if they still have the Camp Out kit or not, or if they have the Camp Out design element bead mix. Now, if you get the kit, this comes with it, but sometimes the kit's sold out, but you can still get like the bead mix. And sometimes you can always get the bead, you can also get the bead strand, but they were sold out, you know, so I got the Cozy Mountain that was in stock, that was from a previous kit, hoping that it would match. So I hope you're having a crafty day, and it's pretty cold here in Pennsylvania. I can't believe it's May 2nd, and yet it's 39 degrees out. So I can't wait till the sun comes out and gets a little bit warmer. So I hope you're staying warm and safe and having a crafty day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.